Birds have wings whose development varies consistent with species. The sole known groups without wings are the extinct moa and elephant birds. Wings, which evolved from forelimbs, gave birds the facility to fly, although further evolution has led to the loss of flight in some birds, including mertites, penguins, and diverse endemic island species. The digestive and respiratory systems of birds also are uniquely adapted for flight. Some bird species of aquatic environments, particularly seabirds and a few water birds, have further evolved for swimming. Thank you for watching.